Hey friends, if you encounter the Windows Update error 0x800f020b in your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet connection. And how would you do that? So go to this website fast.com and hit enter. Check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then move on to the next solution, which is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. And how will you do that? Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The last solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Stop the services associated with Windows updates, delete the Windows update profile, delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders, re-register the DLLs, reset WinSock, and finally restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.